Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's been long. I've come online here to drop a video because I've been all busy doing other things. So I just let me carve a little bit time and come here and just drop any updates for you guys. If you can see Notcoin on the top here, so a lot of you actually heard about Notcoin, the past update that or the past airdrop that has been listed. So a lot of us actually benefited from it while some did not, but I so much thank God that I did justice to it by posting it on my channel for some people to do. Some people actually carried out while some did not do it. So it's still good, but there's another airdrop here that you guys will do and still benefit. So this one is called tap swap. If you can see it here, it is called tap swap. Let me click on it and show you. This is tap swap. What you need to do is just to click on start, but I've heard rumors about tap swap. There's some people are saying it's going to end on the 30th. Even on the official platform I saw something like that, but I'm not really so certain about it. So what you need to do is just to at least just use these 5 days that is remaining and tap anything you could. Okay, it may worth something. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can go about this, and still stick through to this video because I'm going to take you through to show you another update that you'll be able to do while tap swap is still ongoing. That one is they will launch it after tap swap, I think so. So you can see currently on my screen I have 13 point something million of tap swap. So that is it. Then if I tap here, you will see my earnings. My tapping is coming out 13. Can you see out? So can you see everything for yourself? So that is it. Once you register on this tap swap, you come here to boost. You keep on boosting. You can see my current level here is level 13. My multi tap energy limit and the rest, you can see it here. So I'm just bringing this update. So if you actually want to join and follow others and tap, you can actually click on my video channel description. You will see a link that will take you to my telegram channel, where you join my telegram channel and be getting this kind of update. I post a lot of legit airdrop there, so what you need to do is just to follow up. Okay, so another update that I would suggest you guys to fully participate is hamster combat. Hamster combat is it's a very powerful update. It has a very high subscribers, millions of subscribers more than tap swap. So it's a very good project. You guys can actually participate. It's just like tap swap. You keep tapping and be earning coins, and you keep coming here to spend your coins and earn profit here, and this profit is going to be given to you per hour. You can see every hour I have 253.43k every hour. So that is it. You just need to do all this. Link is on my channel, is on my telegram channel. So just go and join there and make cool cash yourself. And just let me drop this again to you guys. Okay, it's going to be a massive update for everyone within from now till June. A lot of people are going to cash out again like Notcoin. So don't take this for granted. Be serious about it. You are going to make cool cash. Okay, and if there's anything you don't know about this, just feel free to write me on WhatsApp, or comment on the comment section below and tell me what you want me to do about it, and I will do it for you. I will show you guys in my next video how to boost this and how to do so many things to earn fast. Okay, so that's just it for now. So if you actually want to have a lot of airdrop, legit airdrop, because I have plenty of airdrops in my channel, just go and join my telegram channel. The link is on the channel description. Go and join it and get ready for plenty legit airdrops there. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Thank you.